back. Thank you all for being here. Our challenge is Archangel Michael, and he says there are exciting new challenges. Stop hesitating. You have what it takes to succeed, but you must review documents and things very thoroughly and communicate clearly from your heart what you want and claim your independence. Use the experience from the past and bring it into a wisdom for you now. It will bring you a deep gratitude and a connection with everyone and everything around you. The now is change your life, and it says there are sudden revelations that offer freedom. Break free of procrastination. Embrace the opportunities that change brings. There is recovery, and you need to bring your ideas to life. Renew your relationships and trust that there will be balance in your with your monies, and you will have more to help others. The solution is the Queen of Raphael. Follow your heart. There is going to be love in the home, and trustworthy psychic information, not only from a psychic, but in your dreams and things like that. You will start seeing things. They say look for signs and let your light shine. It's the end of doubt, procrastination, fears, negativity. So leave that alone now, and you'll find that you start getting clarity, and your heart is opening up to things that align with you now. The card under the pack of the angel cards is it's up to you. You must take that first step. A lot of things are coming to full circle, but believe and that luck and faith and trust that things are going to be better.